guys, it's your girl Brie here. New to YouTube. I'm creating my first video. This is my first video going up. I'm a makeup artist. I love doing makeup, so I'm gonna teach you guys how to do like an icy New Year's look. So let's get into it. Alright, so first I'm gonna go in with Anastasia Brow Wiz. This is in soft brown. Just gonna go ahead and fluff out my brows. Get my hair out of the way. Don't mind my beautiful mountain top on my face. Girl, my eyebrows are long. Look at them freaking trimmed. I would say brows are like one of my least favorite things to do because they take so much freaking time. And it's like you want to make sure they're somewhat even because they're like the frame for your face. I see a brow gel to hold them. And with Makeup Forever, this is their full cover waterproof corrector in 06. C246 brush, Precision Crease. Went to makeup school in 2016, 2017, I think it was 2016. 2016. I paid for it myself. I think it was like $3,000 or $2,500 or something like that. I had never done makeup on anyone before, and just like working with different skin tones, different face shapes, different eye shapes, because I've only been doing makeup on myself. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just put my concealer all over the lid. Even now, I would say foundation matching, even on myself, is difficult because everybody has different undertones in their skin. Some have olives, some have yellow, some have pink. They're all different. Oh yeah, let's cover her up a little bit. Let's put some more on that, please. And now Everest, of course, going in with Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm gonna be using this Morphe F438 brush. I love this brush. So I'm gonna be going in with the Norvina palette today. She's so pretty. Going in with a Morphe 518 brush. I'm gonna go in with Love, which is like a pink, pretty pink shade. I'm going back in with that Lamora classic shader. Cut the crease, damp it a little bit, see where she falls. Go a little bit higher, just a tad bit higher. I would say right there. It's perfect. So now I'm gonna go in with a Soul, which is this pretty, like kind of bluish, take Soul Sister. love using colors. Like, I will do like natural looks for people, but my favorite is color. I love using color. Ooh, that is so pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the shade Dreamer, which is like this metallic-y gold color. Very pretty. She pretty. A little spritz of some NYX spray. Woo! That was a lot. Oh, damn. And the key is to try not to go too high with the shimmer, because even I'll do that sometimes, and then it gets transferred onto the top lid. And then you'll be dealing with that all freaking night, so you don't want that to be happening. So I go right below the crease. And then usually I'll go in like right above where right above where the center of my eyeball is. And then I'll blend the rest of the blue, so then it's like not radiated, radiant gradient. So then it's like a smooth transition. I'm gonna go in with that same love color. Pink so much. Pink is my favorite color. Did anybody watch the Power Rangers back in the day? Like, honestly, the pink one, Kimberly, my fave. And that's the reason I think why I just fell in love with pink. And that's why it's my favorite color, because she's my favorite Power Ranger. Letting you guys know that in case you're wondering. That same soul color to also smudge it out and bring out the pink. Don't mind my ugly face. I think everybody makes that face when they're drawing the lower lash line. As you can see, blue. The blue look is black, but it's not. It's light blue. I'm just gonna do a little bit of black on the top. And just slowly stabbing this color on. And so I'm gonna all the feels today. So I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Big Ego lash mascara and coat these babies. I'm using the Maybelline Prime Moisturizing Primer. Gotta stay hydrated, especially this time of year. Susie, your skin better, color correcting, SPF 50. Like I said, I want to stay protected. And I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender using that. Oh shoot! And this shade is Fair Light, because you girls are light right now. For now. Roll over forehead. Bouncing all up on my face. Concealer, that same concealer I used in Makeup Forever. Full coverage in 06 on the under eye area. And the hollows. I'm gonna go in with that same Maybelline Fit Me powder to set everything. Gonna go in with this Morphe 554 brush. And with bronzer, bronze up the face because she be looking a little pale. Casper status. I'm gonna go in with the Japanese face contouring brush. I'm gonna go in with Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Just gonna go in the hollow. I love this brush, but it does shed. Ooh. Right in the hollows. Sending up. Jesus. My Jouer Rose Cut Gems. Love her. Going in with Peachy Quartz and Choose Me. Like that. Right on the apples. No. I swear I have the biggest cheeks ever. My grandma calls me sweet cheeks because I have the biggest freaking cheeks, even when I was a baby. Okay. And then last but not least, we have freaking highlighter. Ooh, and glass. Okay, so highlight. I'm gonna be going in with Glow. My Glow Kit by Anastasia. Go in with Summer and Moonstone. Go right above my Cupid's bow. Nose. Cheeks. Other side. I was like, I'm gonna go in on my freaking, what's it called? I like to do the eyebrow as well, but I don't want to go in with that big brush. Just at the arch of each brow to get a little something, something, a little zhuzh. Iconic London. Like a lip, I think of. I love this one. It's so pretty. If I can open it. It's like smells like mint, and it's a plumper, so it helps your lips like nice and juicy, juicy juice. What? Oh wait, I forgot setting spray. I'm going in with NYX. NYX Dewy Finish. Oh damn it, I should have went without my freaking mascara. I'll be using my little fun Rave Wonderland. Represent. Where my Rave girls out. Alrighty. And then this is the finished look. I hope you liked my video. I hope you learned some tips and tricks, some techniques about blending. This is my first video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being so patient with me, and I'm learning and I'm just excited to be here. I knocked out my first video and more to come, so I hope you guys stick around to see what other looks I have in store for you guys. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye. Sorry, I have so many helicopters. I hope you guys can't hear that, honestly, because jeez, powder everywhere. Oh no, that was a lot. What was I doing? Oh yeah. Ow, I just poked myself in the eye with this stupid thing. Yeah, I think we're gonna cut her. There's stuff on there. What the F? Oh my god. Oh, that's another thing. I need to practice like not cursing because I'm kind of big on cursing, you know? Crap, I mean.